So we got a quick look here today, not at a weird small banjo. Well, I think it could be. Yeah, it could be a weird small banjo. But this is a violin, obviously. And the special thing about this is I made it completely from scratch. And I made it as part of an apprenticeship with a gentleman named Tommy Case here in Central Kentucky. He's a luthier and an awesome gentleman. It was provided for by the Kentucky Arts Council in their folk arts program. And that's an awesome thing to check out. Now, the great thing about this apprenticeship was I was able to make two violins. One, you'll see a separate video of here, and that was a non-traditional violin, made with non-traditional materials, basically. I tried to make two of the exact things. So this instrument, as well as the other, are identical except for the wood species in how they're made. So this has a spruce top, a curly maple back, curly maple ribs, and a curly maple neck. But it was a really fun process to make this. It's incredibly involved, and I thought I knew what was a lot involved in this, but I was wrong. There's way more than I even really imagined. I thought, some basics here, I thought that this spruce top was even, like a thickness, it was shaped. But each area inside of here is a different thickness. So it's like 2.4 millimeters here, 3.2 here, 2.6 here, and that gradation will change the sound quite dramatically for those that can hear the differences between violins. But it's really a really fascinating process. Not much has changed in it over the time violins have been made. So we'll look up close here for a second. It has a traditional kind of varnish on it. You can see the curly back. It has traditional 3-line purfling. All right. The F-holes were super fun to cut. And obviously like a traditional violin scroll. Pretty fun stuff. Now, I don't know how to play the violin. I made this with hopes that I might want to learn. So I'm keeping this one. And my friend Elizabeth is coming in to play this, so you guys get to hear her play, and I'll link to her stuff in the comments or whatever below. So we'll take some look at some pictures and hear her play this. But if you're interested in having any of these made for you, please shoot me an email, contact me. I'd love to make some more of them. We'll make them custom for you. So let's give a look and give a listen.